Hello everyone, my name is Emma and you have asked me lots of times about the support and resistance levels, how to determine them. So you can visually determine them on the chart, on the places where the price has touched this certain zone several times, and when touching there is some reaction from it. So the price either stops or just bounces in the opposite direction actually. So this way we just watch the price movements, and then we understand this at this zone there is the level, and also you pay attention to the price movements, you can predict the further price movements, of course. So for example, I will show you this period of time. So here on the left side you can notice that from this zone there was the pullback up, and all this time the price has been moving in this range, and after a while the price is again at this point. Yes, and thus we can determine that at this level there can be the reaction again. So you can also see that the price movements are also important. We should understand what candlesticks were forming, the impulsive or not, large or small ones. So the price has been moving primarily with small candlesticks, and approaching this point the price got to the flat zone. There was the attenuation, but we cannot see the pullback from this level, and you can see that after the attenuation this was the very impulsive red candlestick and it gone beyond the level. So we can understand in this situation that very soon this level will be broken through, and at this moment we could open a trade down for 1 minute only. So in this situation we could try to make money on the breakthrough of the support level on this down move. So thus we can just find the similar situations and work them out and just get in our profit. But you know that different situations on the market really exist, yes, and we should understand that the levels are also different. The levels are not always broken through. There can be the pullbacks, the bounces from the level. So, and we need to achieve something very important for ourselves. It's the experience of trading. You need to practice a lot, and of course you understand, if you have your own desire and if you have the intention, most of all, very strong intention, you will succeed in it. But you need to practice all the time. You need to have your own trading journal, write down all the things that you consider important and valuable that will help you in the future to get the maximum profit. So in this trading I will show you different situations. I will show you how I analyze and how what I pay attention to at first. So guys, first of all, before we start, I'm inviting you to my personal Telegram chat with trading signals and with all other important and valuable things about trading. So get to the link under this video and text me the code word private into my personal Telegram messages. So let's get it started. So here we can see the very good uptrend. The price has been moving in one way, yes, in one direction. So after this touching the level, the price bounced down. Now the price reversed and got to the flat zone. So in this situation, let's open a trade up for 3 minutes. Why? Because I think that it is very likely the price will move higher, will be moving up to the level. The general potential of the price is going up here actually, and I suppose that very soon the price can break this level through, or at least it will just move up. 3 minutes are with the reserve because we should take into account the flat zone that can occur, of course, it's possible, or the pullback down, and considering all these facts we take the time with the reserve. As it usually happens, this time is enough for that. I usually open my trades from 1 to 3 minutes, of course, after having analyzed my chart on 15 seconds candlestick. So guys, it is very good, and as you can see the price really moved to the level. We got the profit here. So you can notice that after touching the level the price bounced down, and now you can see the price hasn't broken through this level yet, and the price lows are becoming higher here. So the trend of the price is going up. So let's open the next trade here. I guess that we will do it up for 3 minutes, and I suppose that very soon the price will next move to the level, and I suppose that this time will be enough. I mean 3 minutes. Right now you can see that the price has been moving up, the very confident green candlesticks appearing. So guys, it is very interesting. As you can see, the price really moved up to the level. We got the profit here. So you can notice that the price now is at the level. It is the very good and positive green candlestick, and it is also going beyond this level, then price bounced down. So this situation called the false breakout. So the price has been moving closer and closer to the level. So this situation signals that very soon it is more likely that this level will be broken through. And you can notice that after the pullback down, the price reversed, and it is the very good green candlestick showing up. So let's open a trade up for 2 minutes here. I think that it is very likely this level will be broken through, and this time 2 minutes will be enough for this breakthrough. So guys, it is very good. As you can see, the price really moved up to this level and broke it through completely. So we got the very confident, amazing profit. So this situation is amazing and it works, and you can also find it in your own practice. So first of all, we worked out the approach to the level. Next, we waited for the pullback down. At this lowest point, we opened the trade up, and you can see that the general potential is going up here, and also the price showed its intentions, and it had been moving up and higher. We could see this movement up, and our next trade was the breakthrough of the resistance level. You can see that this level is broken through now, and the price now is moving even higher. So we worked out some situations at the resistance level. So I guess that it is very clear for you. If not, write in the comments. So here you can see the very amazing uptrend. So the price touched the resistance level, then bounced down, and now after a while the price is again moving towards the level. You know, these candlesticks are very confident. Let's open a trade up for 1 minute. So the price has been moving higher. The very impulsive green candlestick appearing. So guys, it is very good. As you can see, this level is broken through completely, so we got the profit here. So we earned our money on the breakthrough of the resistance level. So after the impulsive breakthrough of this level, so the price stopped here. This is the attenuation and the red candlesticks appearing. So here you know that I will open a trade down for 1 minute, because you know that it is very likely that there will be the correction movement here, the pullback down, because the impulsive movement up, the impulsive breakthrough gives us the signal that there's gonna be the correction movement. Why not? Yes, and it is usually happens. 1 minute is enough for this pullback down. So guys, it is very good. As you can see, the price really got to the correction movement. There was the pullback down, so we got the profit as we analyzed it. So we worked out at first the breakthrough of the resistance level. Next, we worked out the pullback after the breakthrough of the resistance level. This was the correction movement. So this situation is very good. I love these situations, and I always find them on my chart in order to, you know, make money, make the very good profit. If you want to find the situation, you will definitely do that. So here you can see the support level at the bottom of the chart. So you can see that the price has been moving down very confidently with impulsive red candlesticks. So this attenuation happens at the level. So let's open a trade down for 1 minute, and I think that this is the very good potential for a decrease, and the price is likely to move lower to the level down. So I suppose that very soon the price will be moving down and even can break it through, because the positive movement really signals that it's gonna happen, it's possible. So it is very good, because as you can see, the price moved lower, moved down to the level. We had enough time, we closed this trade profitable, the price touched this level, then bounced up, logically yes, but we had enough time, we worked out this downward movement. So 1 minute was enough for that, it was perfect actually. So let's continue. So here we have the resistance level at the top of the chart, and right now this is the very brilliant upward movement. Yes, the green candlesticks are here, so there is some place to the resistance level. Let's open a trade up for 2 minutes here. I am sure, and I'm sure that you can see that this is the amazing upward potential, and 2 minutes are with the reserve here because the price can get to the flat zone when it's at the level, or there can be the pullback down, very deep one, and that's why we take this time with the reserve. So guys, it is very good. As you can see, the price really slowed down a little, but then moved higher to the level. So after touching the level, the price bounced down a little, and after this pullback, the price then moved confidently up and broke this level through. So in this situation, we worked out this and got the very great profit. So this was the approach to the level, and next the breakthrough of the level. So these are two situations, and this situation proved that the price has the amazing upside potential. Yes, the price has been moving up, and we could analyze it, we could see that on the chart, and that's why we got the profit here, and we can continue right now. So here we have the support level, and you can notice that after touching this level, the price bounced up, and after a while the price reversed and is moving down here. There is some place to the level, you can see it on the chart. So the price highs are becoming lower. This signals that this price is going down. This is the downside potential. So let's open a trade down for 2 minutes because the price is likely to move down to the level. So 2 minutes are with the reserve because there can be the flat zone or the pullback up. So let's check what can happen here. So guys, it is very good. So as you can see, the price really moved down and we got the profit here. So the price has been moving slowly but confidently, and we already know this pattern, but the price hasn't approached this level of support yet. So let me watch the price a little. Maybe we will wait for the pullback up, and as soon as the price reverses, we will open a trade down here. So guys, here we can see that after the small pullback up, the price reversed and moves down. So we open the trade down here, and the price highs are becoming lower here, and it is very likely that the price will trend down to the level, and we will try to make money on the down move to on this move to the level. So guys, it is very good. As you can see, the price really moved down to this level. We got this profit that we wanted to get. So 2 minutes were enough for this situation. Memorize this. So we worked out this down move. So also there was the false breakout and the pull back up. But the most important thing that this time was enough for us, and we worked out the situation of down move. So we worked out the approach to the level situation. Of course, we could go on, keep on out trading, but my balance now is $7,500, and I suppose that it's enough for today. It's a very good profit, and if you want to have the same, first of all, you need to find these situations that I've showed you today and try to work them out. Of course, you will have some doubts or some questions. You are free, you're very welcome to write them down in the comments or into my personal Telegram chat. So guys, now you know how to determine the levels of support and resistance, or you just have some questions left, you can write down in the comments under this video or send me all your questions, your feedback, your requests into my personal Telegram chat. Get to the link under this video and text me the code word private, and there you will find not only the answers to all your questions but also the trading signals, and that will bring you the profit. So try yourself, maybe you will succeed already today. So do not forget to subscribe to the channel, put your like, and I'll see you in the next video.